Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Neil McPherson here. I have my good friend and fellow internet marketer on the line, Justin Sardi. How you doing, Justin?
Good, man. Good.
Good. I've been trying to get Justin on the line for a while to share some of his results with us that he's been able to get with my stack multiply method. Justin is a good friend of mine. We were college roommates. He was in the construction management program back in the day. I remember, I'd already been getting clients and implementing this method. And, Justin came to an event with me. I kind of shared with him what was going on. And what he's been able to do with this ever since is just amazing. And I know this because we're friends personally, but I wanted him to get on here. This is actually inside of his Stripe account that he's going to share with us and show you the type of results he's been able to get personally from implementing exactly what we teach in the Stack Multiply training. All right. So go ahead, Justin.
Yeah, for sure. So, first off, shout out to Neil and the Stack Multiply method. This literally changed my life. I was working construction, all that. And as you can see, this is just like one of my Stripe accounts, isn't PayPal, anything like that. But this particular account's done over $3.5 million in revenue. And we also have, $1 million plus a year recurring business just from implementing what Neil taught me with the Stack Multiply method. And like I said, I was literally doing construction before this, took exactly what he showed me, ran with it, and was able to get amazing results. So shout out to Neil and the Stack Multiply method.